Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Swagat RC. How are you all? I hope you all are so fine. So first of all, please like, subscribe, share and don't forget to comment and press the bell icon. Today we celebrate International Asteroid Day. So first we are going to talk about its intro or some important instructions. So let's start. Asteroid Day, also known as International Asteroid Day, is an annual global event which is held on the anniversary of the Siberian Tunguska event that took place on June 30, 1908. The most harmful known asteroid related event on Earth in recent history. The United Nations has proclaimed it be observed globally on June 30 every year. In its resolution, Asteroid Day aims to raise awareness about asteroids and what can be done to protect the Earth, its families, communities, and future generations from a catastrophic event. So, now let's talk about International Asteroid Day history. Asteroid Day was co-founded by Stephen Hawking, filmmaker Georgy Richter's B612 Foundation President Danica Rame, Apollo 9 astronaut Rusty Squeakart, and Brian May Quinn, guitarist and astrophysicist. Over 200 astronauts, scientists, technologists, and artists, including Richard Dawkins, Bill Nye, Peter Gabriel, Jim Lovell, Apollo 11 astronaut Michael Collins, Alexei Leonov, Bill Anders, Kip Thorne, Lord Martin Rees, Chris Hadfield, Rusty Squeakart, and Brian Cox co-signed the Asteroid Day Declaration. Asteroid was officially launched on December 3, 2014. In February 2014, Brian May began working with Georgy Richter's, director of the film 51 Degrees North, the story of a fictional asteroid impact on London and human condition resulting from such an event. May composed the music for the film. After screening the film at the 2014 Starmus Festival, Rami Squeakart, Richter's, and May co-founded Asteroid Day in October 2014, which they officially announced during a press conference with Lord Martin Rees, Rusty Squeakart, Eddy Liu, Thomas Jones, Ray Watt, and Bill Nye. The event was live streamed from the Science Museum in London, the California Academy of Sciences, New York, and Sao Paulo. On Asteroid Day 2017, Minor Planet 248750 discoverer M. Dawson was officially named Asteroid Day by the International Astronomical Union. Now, Asteroid Day Declaration. The work group of Asteroid Day created a declaration called 100X Declaration, which appeals to all scientists and technologists who are supporting the idea of saving the Earth from asteroids. But not only specialists are asked to sign, everyone can sign this declaration today. The 100X Declaration has been signed by more than 22,000 private citizens. More than 1 million asteroids have the potential to impact Earth, and through all the available telescopes worldwide, we have discovered only about 1%. The 100X Declaration calls for increasing the asteroid discovery rate to 100,000 or 100x per year within the next 10 years. The more we learn about asteroid impacts, the clearer it became that the human race has been living on borrowed time, remarked Brian May. Asteroid Day and the 100X Declaration are ways for the public to contribute to an awareness of the Earth's vulnerability and the realization that asteroids hit Earth all the time. Asteroid Day is a vehicle to garner public support to increase our knowledge of when asteroids might strike and how we can protect ourselves. The main three goals are employ available technology to detect the tracked near Earth asteroids but threaten human populations via governments and private and philanthropic organizations, a rapid hundredfold acceleration of the discovery and tracking of near-Earth asteroids to 100,000 per year within the next 10 years. Now, third point, global adoption of Asteroid Day, heightening awareness of the asteroid hazard and our efforts to prevent impacts on June 30 with the United Nations recognitions. This action item has been achieved. So now let's talk about Asteroid Day 2015 to 2019. According to the asteroidday.org website, over 2000 events participated in global activities on June 30. In its first 5 years across 78 countries, 41 astronauts and cosmonauts participated in activities on the day. The general goal was to raise awareness about the threat posed by asteroid impacts. Dmitry Brunariu and the Association of Space Explorers submitted a proposal to the Scientific and Technical Subcommittee of the United Nations, which was accepted by the subcommittee, and in June 2016 the United Nations Committee on the Peaceful Uses of Outer Space included the recommendation in its report. The report of the committee was presented for approval to the United Nations General Assembly 71st session, which it approved on December 6, 2016. In its resolution, the United Nations declares 30 June International Asteroid Day to observe each year. At the international level, the anniversary of the Tunguska impact over Siberia, Russian Federation on June 30, 1908. Okay, so now this is all about International Asteroid Day, but now we are going to discuss about asteroids. An asteroid is a minor planet on the inner solar system. Historically, these terms have been applied to any astronomical object orbiting the sun that did not resolve into a disk in a telescope and was not observed to have characteristics of an active comet, such as a tail. As minor planets in the outer solar system were discovered that were found to have volatile, rich surfaces similar to comets, these came to be distinguished from the objects found in the main asteroid belt. The term asteroid refers to the minor planets of the inner solar system, including those co-orbital with Jupiter. Larger asteroids were often called planetoids. So now this is all about asteroids and the International Asteroid Day. So I have some quotes for you. Let's listen it. I despise the lottery. There is less chance of you becoming a millionaire than there is of getting hit on the head by a passing asteroid, Brian May has said. I hope in this video we heard about Brian May, so you know who is Brian May. I have also a asteroid poem. A streak lightened the day-lit sky. The scientist had been tracking its fly. It was knocked out from the asteroid belt. They had known that the last card was dealt. A similar event had been the dinosaurs' end, as an asteroid attacked what they couldn't defend, and so it crashed, ending the modern human times as the earth renewed itself in God's design. By Paul Warren Poetry. I hope you like this video and also it is helpful to you, so please like, subscribe, share and don't forget to comment and press the bell icon. Thank you.